In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check and find saved contacts in your Gmail account in 2025. This is a crucial skill to master, whether you are organizing your digital life or just want to ensure all your contacts are up to date. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to open up your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Here you'll see a grid icon, often referred to as the Apps menu or App Launcher. This icon resembles a small square made up of dots and is your gateway to accessing various Google apps and services. Go ahead and click on that grid icon. After you click the grid icon, a menu will expand, revealing a range of Google services at your disposal. What we want to focus on today are your contacts. Within this menu, you'll see an icon labeled Contacts. It's usually located either in the first few rows or somewhere easy to spot within your range of options. Click on that contacts icon. Now you will be directed to the contacts page where all the magic happens. Here, you're at the hub of managing your Google contacts. This page displays a comprehensive list of all the contacts associated with your Google account. You can scroll through the list to see all your stored contacts, review details, or even make manual edits if necessary. At this stage, you have the opportunity to check out all the contacts you've saved over the years. This is not only an excellent way to ensure that all of your important connections are listed, but also to purge any outdated or unnecessary contact information. You can click on any contact to view more detailed information, or make updates to their phone numbers, emails, and other stored details. One of the great features of Google Contacts is the search functionality. If you're looking for a specific contact, simply use the search bar at the top of the contacts page, enter the contact's name or email, and it should quickly bring up the relevant information, sparing you the trouble of scrolling through hundreds of entries. Remember, keeping your contact list organized can save you a lot of hassle in the long run. Consider periodically reviewing and updating your contact information so that everything stays current. This is especially handy if you frequently change jobs or networks, as it keeps your professional and personal network intact and up to date. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've accessed and managed your saved contacts within Gmail. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily keep your contact list well managed and up to date. Whether for work, personal, or professional networking, managing your contacts effectively can improve communication efficiency and help you stay connected effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.